Hello, young scientists! Can you tell me the difference between an orange juice and a liquid soap? Perhaps, some of you will tell me that they have different color, taste, and maybe purpose. But is that all there is? Welcome to APEC TV. I'm Sir Lawrence, and today we'll be talking about acids and bases. First, let's differentiate an acid from a base. Ascorbic acid or vitamin C, acetic acid found in vinegar, and citric acid from citrus fruits such as lemons and oranges are all examples of acids. Acids are substances that gives off hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Note that ions are electrically charged atoms or molecules formed when an atom either gains or loses an electron. On the other hand, calcium carbonate found in board chalk, sodium bicarbonate in baking soda, milk of magnesia used as antacid are all examples of bases. Bases are substances that gives off hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. One way to determine if a substance is an acid or a base is by looking at its pH level. pH means power of hydrogen. The pH level of a substance determines the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. pH level is measured using the pH scale. It is a set of numbers from 0 to 14. To measure the pH of a substance, a pH meter is commonly used. The data is interpreted using the pH scale. pH scale 0 to 6 means the substance is acidic. The lower the pH value, the more acidic the substance is. pH scale 7 means the substance is neutral. The substance is neither an acid nor a base. pH scale 8 to 14 means the substance is basic. The higher the pH value, the more basic the substance is. Another way to determine if the substance is an acid or base is through a litmus paper test, which I am going to show you. There are two types of litmus paper, red and blue. The red litmus paper turns blue when placed in a basic substance, and red remains red when placed in an acidic substance. So to test that, we'll be putting a drop of each of our substances here in our red litmus paper. And let's check which are acids and which are bases. Observe and take note of the change in color. Now, let us use the blue litmus paper. Note that blue litmus paper turns red when placed in an acidic substance, and blue remains blue when placed in a basic substance. Now, let's do the same procedure. Based on the litmus paper test, soda and vinegar are acids, while liquid soap and baking soda solution are bases. What if either type of litmus paper turns purple? This means that the substance is neutral, having a pH of exactly 7. You might be wondering now, what is the importance of determining the pH level of a substance or identifying which is an acid or a base? Why are we talking about this? Our blood is slightly alkaline and has a pH of 7.4. When a person is given an injection, the substance being injected must have almost the same pH as the blood. If it is higher or lower, then it may cause negative effects to the person. The pH of soil can vary from 4 to 8, depending on the type of soil. It is important to control the pH of soil because this affects the growth and development of the plants. If the soil is too acidic, plants will not grow. Farmers apply quicklime bases to neutralize the soil. Based on the litmus paper test, can you identify which is an acid or a base? You may want to pause this video and put your answer in the comment section. Don't worry, as answers will be revealed after 5 seconds. Let's see if you've identified them correctly. So that's it for our lesson today. I hope you learned something. If you want to know more about this topic and what else we can help you with, join us at APEC Schools, where we get better each day. You may reach us at the following numbers and addresses. See you!